Hey guys, so we're answering some of your questions regarding hair transplants in this video. So the first question is from Kenneth. How young can you be to get a hair transplant? Well, this is a very interesting question. We've transplanted some patients as young as 14 due to burns and other unfortunate events. But typically speaking, for male pattern hair loss, we usually want the patient to be at least 18 years old, and we do wish for their hair loss to be stabilized with medication before we even consider hair transplant surgery. Wayne from Leduc, is hair transplant surgery safe or not? Absolutely, it's a very, very safe procedure when performed by somebody skilled who not only has the technical skill and is an MD, but secondly has the artistic eye. Anyone can plunk hair into your scalp. It's about understanding the patient's face, what are they trying to achieve, and making sure it looks natural. With cosmetic surgery nowadays, results need to whisper and not shout, which means no one should really know you've had anything done. It should be absolutely seamless, and that's the trick. Next, we have a gentleman from St. Albert called Jason. How long before my hair grows back completely? Well, it depends what procedure we are doing. If we're doing the FUE procedure, the follicular unit excision procedure, normally within 2 to 4 weeks, your hair growth is returning back to normal around the donor area. The recipient area is where we're transplanting to. That normally starts to grow back within 2 to 4 weeks as well. But the transplanted hair normally takes around 3 to 6 months to start coming in. 12 months, you're seeing 70% of your results, and by 18 months, we have full maturity of your transplanted grafts. This is a very interesting one. I like it, Brent. Brent is from Edmonton. Be honest, Dr. Sharma, do hair transplants hurt? Well, the actual surgery is performed under local anesthetic. We perform a block around the front of the scalp and the back. Now that pain is a little bit sharp, to be very honest. You asked me to be honest, so I'm being honest. It feels like a bee sting. The pain lasts roughly 60 to 90 seconds when we are performing the local anesthetic block, after which you will feel no pain whatsoever. You will feel pressure, you'll feel some water around your scalp, which we use for our grafts, but you won't actually feel anything else. It's actually quite boring, to be honest with you, for the patient. The block is very effective and lasts roughly 4 to 8 hours. On day number 2 after surgery, most patients are very surprised to realize how little downtime they have. Okay, thanks guys. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.